Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. Hello. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. We're going to start with the lesson probability and statistics. Let's just start with the lesson. We're going to start with the lesson mean, median, mode, and range. What is the mode? So we are given the data. We need to find the mode out of the given data. So basically, the mode is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. So what is mod? The mod is 6. You can see 6 appears 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So the correct option is 6. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the range? Range is the difference between the greatest and the smallest number in the given data. So in the greatest number in the given data is 2 and the smallest number is 0. So 2 take away 0 is 2. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 2 minus 0 is 2. What is the median? Let's just arrange the numbers from least to greatest and then we will calculate the median. So that is 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 6, and 8. So median is the number that is in the middle of the data that divides the data into two exactly equal groups. All the numbers before the median are less than median and all the numbers after the medians are greater than median. So the correct option is 3. 3 is the median. Option 1 is the correct option. What is the mean? So you need to add them all divided by, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divide them by 7. Sum of all the numbers divided by 7. That is 8 plus 7 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10. So the sum is 49. So 49 divided by 7 is 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. 7 it is. What is the median? So let's just arrange them from least to greatest. That is 0, 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. So 6 is the median. The correct option is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the mod? The mod is 0. The number that appears the most of the time is 0. What is the mean? So for the mean, we need to add them all. That is 10 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 and divide them by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divide them by 6. Sum of all the numbers divided by the number of given numbers, right? So they are 6 in number, so just divide them by 6. That is 10 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1. 24. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So the next lesson is combinations. Let's just start with the test questions. Edward is ordering a salad for lunch. He can choose one of the beans or turkey to have on the salad. So, two options for the salad, beans or turkey. He can also pick one vegetable topping. The vegetable choices are sprouts or peppers. The dressing are blue cheese or honey mustard. How many different combinations can Edward create? So, two options for the salad, two options for the vegetables, and two options for the dressing. So, 2 times 2 times 2 is that is 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. 8 it is. Kevin wants to buy a new pair of skates. She can buy speed skates or roller skates. A pair of skates can come in blue or gold. How many different combinations can Gwen choose from? She can buy skates or roller skates. So, two options here. A pair of skates can come in gold and blue. So, that is 2 times 2 is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 4. Kimberly is picking her activities from the for this year. She wants to play one sports and join one club. The sports she can play are field hockey, lacrosse, and golf. One, two, three options. The club she is considering are the drama club, journalism club, and the art club. So that is 3 times 3 makes 9. So the total combinations he have is 9. The correct option is 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Angie is picking out her clothes for school. She can wear a t-shirt, sweater, and sweatshirt as a top. One, two, three. For pants, she has shorts, kardozis, and jeans. She can wear tennis shoes or high top sneakers. Assuming all the clothes go together, how many different combinations can Angie pick? So 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 2 is 18. Option number 1 is the correct option. 18 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is interpret charts to find mean, median, mode, and range. Let's just start with the test questions. Christoph's class recorded how many states each student has visited. What is the mean of the number? So let's just calculate the mean. So this is the tally mark. This complete count 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 2, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 5, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's just add them all, and because we need to calculate the mean, right? So the mean is sum of all the numbers divided by the number of numbers. So 8 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 2 plus 6. 42 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 42 divided by 7 is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 6. The employers at the department store counted the number of ties on each tie rack. What is the mean of the numbers? So again, we have to calculate the mean. So we need to add them all divided by the number of values. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now let me just add them all, right? So 14 plus 4, sorry, 12 plus 12 plus 13 plus 15 plus 16 plus 18 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20 plus 24 plus 25 plus 26 plus 26 plus 36. 280 divided by 14 is 20. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 20. A concession stand worker at the movie theater looked up how many bags of popcorn were sold in the past 5 days. What is the mean of the number? So again, we need to calculate the mean. 30, 90, 40, 70, and 70. So we need to calculate the mean, right? Let's just add them all. 30 plus 90 plus 40 plus 70 plus 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and divide them by 5. So 60 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 60. Haley's classmates recorded how many books they read last year. What is the mod of the number? So which is the correct option? That is 93. Option number 2 is the correct option. The local high school found out how many members each club had. What is the range of the numbers? So range is the difference between the greatest and the smallest value. The greatest value is 80, the smallest value is 20. So 80 minus 20 is option number 1 is the correct option, 60 it is. Some students compared how many clubs they belong to. What is the range of the numbers? So which is the correct option? That is 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 4 math. Chapter we were working on is probability and statistics. The lessons we have covered today are mean, median, mode, and range, combinations, interpret charts to find mean, median, mode, and range. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Either you can write them down in the chat. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions you can please ask if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today.